You know how everyone now is making content about the K-pop Demon Hunter movie? Well, in this video, I will try to recreate a song that could potentially be in the next movie. My goal is to create a video for another channel I have that shows homes created by AI. To add music to that video, I want to recreate music from the movie. One of the problems I had with this channel was that I used music from libraries, and they didn't allow me to use a whole song without narration. So the best way to avoid copyright claims is to create the music myself and get the rights to use it. I am going to use GPT Music, a tool to create AI music. Let's see how to do that. You can click on the link in the description to get to GPT Music. If you want to create music that you can use in YouTube videos, you need to pay for a subscription, but it is not expensive, and you get some credits to use each month. First, let's create an account. You can find the pricing when you click on the link here. Choose your account. You can start with the free one. Just know that you can't use the music in YouTube videos or for anything commercial. After you sign up, you need to confirm it is your email by grabbing the code from your email. Then, you will see some questions. Just click on what describes you in the next few pages. After you are inside the tool, click on Home to start creating the music. When you use GPT Music, you can create music in different ways. In the prompt box, you can write a prompt describing the music you want to create. If you want the music to have lyrics, you can click on Lyrics and then describe the lyrics you want to get. Be very specific if you want to create specific lyrics, otherwise, they will sound more generic. I tried a few kinds of songs. The first one I tried was a ballad sung by the whole group. One of the examples I generated. Let's listen to it for a second.
When the winds howl and the rain pours down, remember hope, it's your anchor, your crown. Keep walking forward, no matter the toll. With every step, your strength will hold.
I had to be very specific about the sound. Another song I tried to recreate was Free, the duet of Rumi and Juno.
We are free, breaking chains inside. No more fear, no place to hide.
For the song Free, I added the link to the YouTube video clip so it knows what I want the music to refer to. Click here if you want to add a YouTube link or if you want to upload a music file as an example. If you have ideas in your head, you can record yourself here, or you can also use another piece of music you created by clicking Creation and finding the music in the list. At the top, you have a prompt box to add the prompt that describes the music, and at the bottom, you have a button to add lyrics. You can write your own lyrics or ask the tool to write them for you. To add lyrics from GPT Music, click on Generate Lyrics and add your prompt. When creating the lyrics, I needed to be very specific about what I wanted. I used ChatGPT to help me with the prompt for the lyrics. When you create lyrics with the generation tool, you need to let it know exactly what you want. In some cases, it wrote the whole song in Korean, while in the movie, the Korean is just phrases here and there. Another thing I noticed is that it helps to include words like demons and hunters, because most of the songs in the movie include the word demons. I also asked it to add the rap part that Juno has in the song. Another important thing is that if you want a duet, ask it to add the vocal names to the lyrics, so it knows what to give to each vocal. Otherwise, it might not assign the parts correctly, or might give the whole song to only one vocal. For the music, I had to do some back and forth with the tool to make it sound like K-pop Demon Hunters. The thing is, you need to describe the exact sound you want the vocals to have. EJ has a very interesting voice, which is hard to recreate. First, you need to describe the exact sound you want for the vocals. In this case, it was not enough to just ask for low and high notes. I think you should tell them the exact range of the female voice. Another thing I had to describe is the belting and very high notes. At the beginning, I didn't explain that I wanted the group to have a main vocal and harmonies, so it just used the same voice for the whole song. The harmonies weren't good enough or noticeable enough. Also, When I didn't say belting for high notes, the female vocal came out very thin, like a head voice, which is nice, but the voice in the movie of Rumi has a very strong belting voice. That is why it's important to describe the belting clearly in the prompt. I had to do some back and forth with the tool to get the sound I wanted. You also need to describe the music clearly. I wanted one lead vocal with some harmonies from the other two members of the group. I wanted it to start slow without too many instruments and then move to a more pop sound, like the last song in the movie. Another important detail is to add Korean words and phrases like they do in the movie. I'm taking inspiration, not copying, so I won't use the exact music or lyrics. Here are some examples of what I got when I tried to recreate Huntrick songs. What do you think?
In the dark of night, when fear takes hold, I hear my heart say, don't let it unfold. 내 마음아 용기 내. Face your fears and let your spirit unfold. Stand tall and strong, like a man so bold. Never let go, keep climbing, never fall. In your heart, a light will always glow. Embrace the storm, it'll make you grow. When the winds howl and the rain pours down, remember how it's your anchor, your crown. Keep walking forward, no matter the toll. With every step, your strength will roll. In the dark of night, when fear takes hold, I hear my heart say, don't let it unfold. 내 마음아 용기 내. Face your fears and let your spirit unfold. Stand tall and strong, like a mountain so bold. Never let go, keep climbing, never fall. In your heart, a light will always glow. Embrace the storm, it'll make you grow.
Could it work for the next K-pop Demon Hunter movie? So I tried to recreate the song Free. You can click here to add a YouTube link. I'm not sure how much it uses it, but it helped to inspire the song. Here is how I organized my prompts for the best results. For the lyrics prompt, I described exactly what I wanted, including which parts should be in Korean, where to include the rap, and words like demons and hunters. I asked ChatGPT to generate the lyrics based on this. For the music prompt, I described the vocal range, the belting for high notes, harmonies with the main vocal, the slow start, and the pop progression. I also included instructions to add Korean phrases and keep the soft, inspirational mood that fits the living room video. I made sure to clarify exactly how I wanted the vocals and harmonies to sound so the AI wouldn't just use the same voice for the whole song or make the female voice too thin. Now, is it a song that could be in the next movie? I don't think so, but it is inspired by it, which is enough for this example. You can generate more music to get better results, and you will need to generate more than one song if you want it to sound like it could be written by EJ. When you click generate, it will start working, and you will get 2 songs from the generation. It's nice to get more than one, so you can choose. After it finishes, you can click the play button to hear the song.
Through the shadows I will run, chasing light until it's won. 내 마음속 불빛 guides me where the night is gone.
Every step feels like a fight. Demons whisper in the night, but I feel you by my side. Holding me, you are my guide.
Even when the world is cold, we'll be stronger, we won't fall. 함께라면 we can rise, shining through the darkest skies. We are free, breaking chains inside. No more fear, no
heart tells a story true. Every battle led me to you. Through the pain I found my way. With your light I won't betray. Step by step I'm standing tall. Even if I stumble and if I fall. 내가는 악마, scream loud. But I push forward, I'm breaking the cloud. Hands in the air, we're reaching higher. Together we burn an unending fire.
When the world is cold, we'll be stronger, we won't fall.
To download the song, click on the 3 dots. There, you have the option to download it. If you are using the free account, you will use 100 credits each time you generate music, and to download, you need 50 credits. Click on download, and it will download it for you. Remember that you can't use it for commercial purposes, and a YouTube video is considered commercial, so you can't upload the video with it. If you pay for the account, you can download the vocals and instrumentals separately, so you can create sing-alongs if you like, or use them in other ways. If it wrote a song for you and you want to download the lyrics, don't worry, just click on copy, and you'll find the lyrics there. If you created the music for yourself and want to add it to a playlist so you can listen while doing other things, just click playlist. Here you can create a new playlist and add music to different playlists. In Tools, you have other options to use this music in different ways and create new music from it. If you want your music to be featured on the GPT Music playlist, you can click here. This is a good idea if you want to tell the world about the music you wrote, mostly the lyrics, because the song itself you didn't write, right? If you use the paid membership, you can also download the license. That way, if you have any issues with copyright claims, you can use it to prove that you have the license to use that music in any way you like. You can also delete music you don't like. That's it. Now it's time to add that music to a YouTube video. Watch the next video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.